Today we put Da Vinci to the test with an ornithopter.
This is an original 1993 Sean Kincaid Park Hawk. I've wanted this since 1993, but obviously this is a very expensive toy, so I had to wait till it was on the roof at Model Land and sign it. Elevator and rudder controls, as well as lots of power. You ready?
Almost to the wall, man.
I've never flown this before, and I'm kind of nervous. All right. The very first one, so they made it fly better, right? Lift the wing. More maneuverability. Oh, when you're gliding, it's opposite turn. This controls in reverse.
Oh, weird.
Maybe the reverse all the way along, but it's You know, sometimes you want something forever and then when you get it, you're let down. Not true. I'm so impressed with this Park
Oh, talent! What do you think?
It's awesome. I love it.
That's a little scary.
It landed solid, I'll tell you that. Look at that thing, isn't that neat?